In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your PartnerStack account. If you've decided it's time to take this step, I'm here to guide you through it, ensuring that each action is clear and straightforward. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your PartnerStack account. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select My Account. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your account. On this page, look for the Security tab. It's usually located among other tabs like Profile and Notifications. Click on Security to proceed. Now, here's where things get a bit different. Unlike some platforms that allow you to delete your account directly from the settings, PartnerStack requires you to reach out to their support team to initiate the account deletion process. On the security page, you'll find an option to contact support. Click on this option to start the process. When you click on Contact Support, you'll be directed to a form or a chat window where you can communicate your request to delete your account. Be sure to clearly express your intention to delete your account. It's also a good idea to ask if there are any additional steps you need to take to finalize the deletion process. Once you've submitted your request, it's just a matter of waiting for the support team to process it. They may contact you for confirmation, so keep an eye on your email or any notifications from PartnerStack. It's important to respond promptly to any communication from them to ensure the process goes smoothly. And there you have it, folks. Deleting your PartnerStack account involves a few more steps than simply clicking a button, but with these instructions, you should be able to navigate the process without any trouble. Remember, if you have any questions or encounter any issues, the support team is there to assist you. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more guides like this one. Best of luck with your account management, and see you in the next video.